Mama, is the Lord sick? Does he have a fever? Mama, today when we went to the Jagannath temple, the temple doors were closed. I heard Panda uncle say Lord Jagannath is resting now. Mama, is the Lord sick? Does he have a fever?
Yes, dear. Right now, Lord Jagannath is taking rest. That's why the temple doors were closed. This time is called Anavasar.
Anavasar? What does that mean, Mama?
See, my child, every year in the month of Ashar, we joyfully bathe Lord Jagannath. It's a grand celebration called Snan Yatra. On this day, Lord Jagannath, Lord Balabhadra and Subhadra Maharani are bathed with Ganga water, sandalwood water and many other fragrant waters. And they also feel so happy to be surrounded by their devotees. Everyone bathes them for a long time. And then
they catch a fever?
Exactly, my dear. If we get soaked in cold water for a long time, we get sick, right? Similarly, Lord Jagannath gets a slight fever. That's when he is moved to a special resting chamber called the Anavasar Griha, where he takes complete rest. He is given Ayurvedic medicine, milk, fruits, and gradually he regains his health.
So even the Lord has to take medicine. But who takes care of him, Mama?
Special servants of Lord Jagannath called Daitapatis take full care of him during this time. Just like a mother, they lovingly nurse him. They massage him with oil, wash his feet with warm water, offer him honey mixed with tulsi leaves and feed him with great care so he can eat comfortably.
Really, Mama? Does the Lord like taking medicine? Having a fever is so painful, isn't it?
Yes, sweetheart. Just like how you felt weak and tired when you had a fever, Lord Jagannath also goes through that difficulty. I can understand how he must be feeling.
But Mama, isn't the Lord just a statue? Does he really feel anything?
Oh, my dear child, the Lord is not just a statue. He is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Those who call out to Him with love can feel His presence deeply. His smiles, His tears, even His sickness. Jagannath means Lord of the Universe. He loves each one of us deeply. And by performing such leelas, He teaches us to love Him back. He gives us a chance to serve Him.
But Mama, right now I can't even see him. Can he hear me?
Yes, sweetheart. Even if you can't see him right now, he is listening to you. Whenever you do something good, whenever your heart is filled with devotion, a gentle smile appears on his face.
Then, Mama, what can we do to help him feel better soon?
You want to help him, right? Then today, let's offer a small prayer to him. Dear Lord Jagannath, please get well soon. We want to see you. We want to see you ride on your chariot again.
Lord Jagannath, please get well soon. I love you so much.
And very soon, Rath Yatri will come. You'll see Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra Devi will come out riding in their giant chariots. And thousands of people will come to pull those chariots in Puri Dham. It's not just a journey. It's a festival of joy, love and devotion. Dear child, this Leela teaches us something very important. The devotion is not just about bowing down. It's about care, compassion, patience and pure love. We must also learn to look at others with the same kindness as the Lord does.
Mama, I want to become like Lord Jagannath. I want to love everyone, treat everyone kindly, and always remember the Lord.
You are my sweet little Gopal. One day you will bring Lord Jagannath into the hearts of many people. Mama, why does Lord Jagannath have such big round eyes? Is he searching for someone? Or does he always want to keep watching someone with love? He never even blinks, right, Mama?
What a beautiful question, my dear. There's a sweet secret hidden behind those eyes. A love so deep, nothing in this world can compare to it.